My American identity, I would say the earliest would be seeing girls with their pierced ears. I can't remember being friends with them. And they were there, it wasn't that, but there wasn't interaction because it was such a large Jewish community. It was all the extended family lived there, so that's where you were. Medford is where it changed. And I think that is probably the first time that I felt my Jewish identity as being anything but just part of me and not part of everybody else. Because earlier I was tutored, I went to Hebrew school with my cousins, it was small, Mrs. Newton, and it was part of the day. In Medford, there was a separation. I would go to show. We were Friday night congregation, and my father was in the choir, and that was always every Friday. So that I went to with my family. But during the day, I was in a non-Jewish world. Non-Jewish Christian secular world. And I would say mainly Protestant. Can't remember any Catholic friends. And I think it was uncomfortable. It was feeling lost. Yeah, I know, because I always have, wanting to fit in, not to the religious part, but just being an American and not coming from an immigrant community.